How to use reading strategies to understand a piece of text. I get it. Reading can be hard. Understanding everything a text is trying to interpret to you can be confusing and downright frustrating. But there are some simple reading strategies you can use to help better understand those lengthy articles of text. First, let's start with the basics. There are three different types of reading strategies: comprehension, rhetorical, and evaluative. Comprehension is the most commonly used one of the three reading strategies. Comprehension strategies use comments that identify and summarize a piece of text. Comprehension includes annotating, locating main ideas, and even pre-reading. Now, let's look at an example. I will be using the article debunking 3 myths behind chain migration in low-skilled immigrants. Before reading your article or piece of text, you want to look at the article to understand what it will be about. For instance, in debunking 3 myths behind chain migration in low-skilled immigrants, you can tell it will be about debunking these myths about immigrants. Before reading your article, you also want to look for anything that can give you a little bit of more information about the text. For instance, if there's anything bolded in the text, italicized, anything highlighted, anything like that. When looking through our article, you can see that there is myth number 1, family immigration is unlimited. It's bolded, it's in large font, and that gives you a clear understanding of what her first myth will be about that she will debunk. Same thing goes for both myth 2 and 3 in this article. They are bolded and displayed in a large font, allowing you to see what the author will talk about in her article. You can also do what I said earlier about locating main ideas throughout the piece of text. So you can look for keywords or phrases like here, distorts the facts, talking about how it's false, how these myths are false throughout her text. Another reading strategy you can use when looking at a hard piece of text is evaluative, in which we make comments, ask questions, and even criticize a piece of text. For instance, in this article, maybe you don't agree with the author's data they have provided. Maybe you think it's untrue, or maybe you agree with the author's opinion.